Okay? Let me just say this. There are a lot of people in our city that don't necessarily have what they need to meet their needs. 24% of our people in this city are working every day, and they're not able to meet their needs, and there are many who are not able to work. We established Turnaround Houston in this city. That program was started in March to meet the needs of people who are chronically unemployed. People may not have graduated, people may have only received the GED, and they can't find employment. And we're working to put them in the best position in order to get jobs. We're focused on our kids in this city, and that's why we put a lot of emphasis on our summer youth program. But let me also say to you is that you can set up feeding stations or feed people in this city. But let me say this to you: feeding them alone and not providing for their holistic needs, sometimes the good thing turns out to be a bad thing. But let me finish. And that's why it's important for all of us to work collectively together, the faith-based community and those who want to do good. But when you feed individuals only and you cause them to congregate in a certain spot, and after you have fed them and you do nothing else for them, then they end up in your parks, they end up in your neighborhoods, they end up in public spaces, and the only thing that you've done is assemble them, but you've done nothing more. And so what I am calling on organizations and faith-based communities and those who are sensitive to the needs and want to meet the needs of folk, let's be holistic in our approach. Don't give folk just a bologna sandwich and then walk away from them and expect it to be okay. You have to do more than just give them a sandwich. You have to do more than just feed them. You must work with us in a holistic way to meet their holistic needs. Otherwise, you will have fed them, walked away from them, and the problem remains for the rest of us to attend to. So sometimes good intentions can lead to a bad result. And I want to make sure, I want to make sure that the good you do is more long-lasting and not temporary. And then lastly, what I would say, sometimes be careful that when you feed them, you're not feeding them to make sure you feel good. Wow. And you leave them in a worse state after you have done good. So it needs to be holistic. Let's not do it for yourself. Let's do it for them. But when you do it for them, don't just walk away from them as if their total needs have been met. And if we do it, and if we do it together, we'll have a better city. Those who are the least of us will be met, and we can all rise up together. Thank you for being here, and I appreciate it.